So let's take a look at your MT9 LT3 assignment problem number 2. It says, for security purposes, a jewelry company prints a hidden watermark on the logo of all its official documents. The watermark is a cord located 0.7 centimeters from the center of the circular ring that has a radius of 2.5 centimeters. To the nearest tenth, what's the length of the cord? Well, let's model this with a picture. So we have this circle. Yep, I can't draw a circle. And here's the center. And we have this cord. And we know the cord is 0.7 centimeters from the center. The thing to remember, if you have a radius, well, this is perpendicular because we measure distance, but this is my radius, isn't it? Because if I draw it from the center, I could continue on. The diameter of a circle is the perpendicular bisector of the cord. In other words, I know the length from one edge to where the radius meets it is going to be half the length. Well, let's draw in the radius. I'm going to use a different color here. So here's my radius, and my radius is 2.5 centimeters. Well, do you see you have a right triangle here? I can find the missing side. I'm going to call that x. That'll be half the length of the cord. So we know hypotenuse squared equals leg squared plus leg squared. Well, the hypotenuse is 2.5. I don't know one of the legs. That's what I'm going to find. And I know the other leg is 0.7. Well, 2.5 squared, that's 6.25. Equals x squared plus 0.49. Because 7 squared is 49. Well, we're going to solve for x, so I'm minus 0.49 from both sides. And 6.25 minus 0.49. Let me see. 15 minus 9 is 6. 11 minus 4 is 7. I get 5.76 equals x squared. Well, let's take the square root of both sides. If I take the square root of 5.76, I do believe that's 2.4. Now remember, that's not the length of the cord. That's half the cord. So our cord is going to be 4.8 centimeters because we just doubled that length. Because this is 2.4, then this would be 2.4 because it's been bisected.